So if you have very dry hair, what's actually happening with your hair is that the keratin layer is probably weak and the cuticle is warped, broken, or has possibly small holes in it. And so the moisture and hydration keeps leaking from our hair out, leading to not only dry hair but even damaged hair. The moment your hair dries up, whatever little you used from the conditioner and mask is completely evaporated, leaving your hair even drier, and therefore you get more frizzy hair, you get more flyaways, and your hair definitely does not look well hydrated and weighed down. So technically dry hair is not really a hair type because it's very solvable from the first wash itself. And here is a routine that will help you with your dry, damaged hair. A quick and easy fix to it is to use hair care which is very moisturizing and conditioning. My favorites, because I color my hair a lot, as you can see, always it's colored. Not only is it got fashion color here, but I also do root touch up. So my hair should be more drier than it is, but it's not dry really. It looks quite cool actually. And so my favorite shampoo is the Daughter Earth shampoo. I've spoken about it so many times that I'm sure a lot of you are just fast forwarding at this time. Very conditioning, very moisturizing. It feels expensive, but when you use it to drenched hair, you require about half a teaspoon. Maybe a full teaspoon if your hair is long. I use about a teaspoon for my hair. So आप अंदाज लगा लीजिए आपको कितना चाहिए होगा, ठीक है? Once you use that, use a hair mask. My favorites are the Schwarzkopf hair mask, or you can use the Wish Care hair mask, right? This mask will convert any type of hair into silk. ये उसका magic है, ठीक है? Once you wash the shampoo, put this on. मतलब it shouldn't be like drenched hair, just wet hair. You don't have to towel dry it. Just extra water निकाल के इसको अब डाल दीजिए. The reason to use a mask is because the mask can go into your hair from here right to your scalp outwards, right? And we need this when you have colored hair, or if you tend to have drier hair or frizzy hair, or hair that's not able to retain moisture because it's very, very porous, right? So you require a mask. Once you use the mask, you have an option of either washing off the mask. I don't do it. Or you can keep the mask and use the conditioner. कोई भी कंडीशनर आप यूज करिए. Your preference, my preference is the cheap, chalu, affordable L'Oreal Rapid Repair Conditioner. I've used it for years and years together, love it. And the community swears by this conditioner. If you haven't started using it, you might want to give it a try. So, mask ke baad, I use this and then I keep it for about 3-4 minutes. That's all. And then I wash off my hair. So, we have all the moisture and the hydration in our hair. And now we put a lock on it. The first lock is the leave-in conditioner, and the second lock, stay tuned. After I wash off my hair, I make sure I remove all the extra water out of my hair. And then I go in with the leave-in conditioner. These two steps are very, very critical when you're looking at making your dry hair look better. It's very, very important, right? The leave-in conditioner goes in and plugs those holes. And when it does that, the water and the moisture is not able to evaporate. So, if you use too little of it, it will leave your hair still drier. So it requires a little bit of practice to kind of understand what is the right quantity for you. Now, leave-in conditioner की quantity आपको adjust करनी पड़ती है, ठीक है? There is no blanket rule that you just require half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon. It really depends on your hair type, how dense your hair is. So it might take you 3 to 4 washes to understand ki how much quantity your hair requires. What I did was, when I used too much of it, I used more water to take off the extra bit of it. Because I realized when I used too much, it left my hair weighed down and damp. Okay? Now keep in mind, you are the little percentage of a hair care user who's even using a leave-in conditioner. 99.9% hair care users don't even use a leave-in conditioner. And once you start using it and you see the magic on your hair, you are never going to stop using it. The magic needs one more product, and that is a hair oil. I use the Moroccan Argan hair oil from, it's not a hair oil, it's just an oil from Wish Care. Now, even though this can be used as a hair oil, I don't use that as a hair oil. I just use it, just 2-3 drops of it to kind of coat my hair on top of your leave-in conditioner. I also use the Moroccan. In fact, this is my favorite, but it's so freaking expensive that मैं argan oil से अपना काम चला लेती हूँ, right? You just use a little bit and you cover your hair with it. What does oil do? Oil does not mix with water. 100% seals your keratin and just prevents all moisture and hydration loss from your hair. So your hair, which used to be dry, used to be flyaway and dehydrated, are transformed. Try it and let me know how this works for you. For more, I'm going to meet you in the comments.